So, hello guys! Kumusta ang lahat? Coffee na naman tayo guys at this moment. Coffee na naman tayo. Ito yung merienda natin. Ming, you come here, Ming. Guys, andito si Miming. Of course, we are here with Miming. Ayan guys, si Miming. Ayan, hello Ming. Ayan, magko-coffee kami ni Miming guys. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much. Coffee tayo guys. Wow, ang sarap naman ng kape. Mainit-init pa talaga guys. Ayun si Miming. Ming, you wait, Ming. Ming, you wait, please. You wait, please. Ang cute talaga ni Miming. You wait. Ming, oh. Oh, you go there. You eat. Aboy, ang sweet talaga. Sweet talaga ni Miming. Naku, may nahulog pa dyan, Ming. Ngayon na tayo, guys. It's a merienda. Yan lang guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.